energy meter is a device that measures the total electrical energy consumption by a home or building in kilowatt hour kWh. It records usually accurately for electrical billing and help monitor power consumption. The meter is usually installed at the main entry point of the electrical supply before the distribution board. MCB miniature circuit breaker is a safety device that automatically cuts off power during overload or short circuit condition. It protects wiring and appliances from damage and reduce the risk. MCBs are reusable and can you easily restart after fixing the fault. 6 modular switchboard. The 6 modular switchboard carrying 1 socket and 4 switches is designed to control multiple electrical points from a single location. Each switch is used to independently operate lights, fan or other load till the sockets provide power from plug-in devices like a mobile charger or table lamp. When a switch is turned on, it completes the circuit and supplies power to the its connected load. These arrangements improve convenience, safety or organized wiring in home electrical installation. And LED bulb is an electrically efficient lighting device used from home and commercial lighting. It consumes very low power, produces less heat and has a long lifespan compared to traditional bulbs. Rating support. LED bulbs commonly comes in 5 watt, 7 watt, 9 watt, 12 watt and 15 watt, operating at 220 volts to 240 volts and provide brightness from 450 to 1500 lumens, suitable for rooms, halls and outdoor use. Ceiling fan. A ceiling fan is a common electrical appliance used to circulate air and keep rooms cool. It provides comfort with low power consumption and is suitable for continuous daily use.